The 2026 Volvo Motorhome van isn't just a vehicle, it's a declaration that travel should feel as luxurious as arriving. From the first glance, its clean Scandinavian lines, flowing contours, and aerodynamic stance make it clear this is a van designed to turn heads on highways, coastlines, and mountain passes alike. The iconic Volvo grille is framed by futuristic LED headlights, while the satin metallic paint catches the light like liquid silver. Large panoramic side windows aren't just for looks, they flood the interior with daylight and connect you to the landscapes you explore. Step inside, and the signature Volvo design philosophy greets you, minimalist yet rich, clean but undeniably warm. Every surface feels intentional. Natural wood accents meet brushed aluminum trim, creating a cabin that feels more like a modern designer loft than a motorhome. Plush leather seating wraps around the spacious lounge, with ergonomic design ensuring comfort during both long drives and relaxed evenings. Hidden ambient lighting washes the interior in a gentle glow at night, transforming the space into a calming sanctuary after a day of adventure. The kitchen is a traveler's dream, fully equipped with a compact induction cooktop, a high-capacity smart fridge, a convection oven, and deep storage compartments that slide with a soft whisper. Whether you're brewing fresh morning coffee with a view of a misty forest or preparing a candlelit dinner beside a mountain lake, this kitchen delivers the tools and style to match the mood. Move toward the rear, and you'll find the bedroom, soft, private, and deeply comfortable. The queen-size bed features a memory foam mattress with temperature-regulating technology, while large side and rear windows allow for stargazing without leaving your blankets. The clever design means storage is integrated seamlessly into the bed frame and wall panels, keeping the space open and clutter-free. The bathroom is compact yet indulgent, with a rainfall shower, modern basin sink, and heated towel rack, a rare luxury in a camper van of this size. The fixtures are finished in matte black, giving the space a sleek, upscale look. Under the skin, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome van is powered by an advanced hybrid drivetrain, blending a turbocharged petrol engine with Volvo's latest electric motor system. The result is whisper-quiet cruising in electric mode and long-range confidence when venturing far off the grid. Regenerative braking, all-wheel drive, and Volvo's legendary safety systems come standard, making every journey as secure as it is smooth. For connectivity, the van offers a built-in satellite internet hub, a high-definition infotainment display with AI navigation, and seamless smartphone integration. You can stream movies on rainy days, manage your itinerary, or even work remotely from anywhere your wheels can take you. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile luxury retreat. It's for those who refuse to choose between style, performance, and comfort. The 2026 Volvo Motorhome van doesn't compromise, it inspires. Whether it's a weekend escape or a cross-continental adventure, this is travel redefined. So, if your vision of the perfect journey is one where every mile feels as beautiful as the destination, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome van is waiting. And if you want more incredible tours like this, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment about where you take this rolling masterpiece first.